Hello, everyone. I am so happy to see you in our classroom today. Welcome back to Soukul Educloud. Before we begin, let's get moving. Can you wiggle your fingers way up high? Now, can you reach up and tap your nose? Did you know that every single part of your body has a very special job? Just like a chef has a job in a kitchen, your body parts are hard at work every single day. We are going to find out what those jobs are by reading a poem together called Hands on My Waist. Let's play a game while we read. I want you to stand up, put your hands right here on your waist, and do exactly what I do. By playing this rhyming game together, we are going to discover the secret names for all the work our bodies do. Ready? Hands on your waist. Now ask with me. Hands on my waist, what have I here? Now let's point to our heads and say, "This is my head thinker, Mummy, my dear." Inside your head is your brain, and it is busy all day long. As the gears begin to glow, it's working out puzzles, remembering your favorite songs, and learning new things. Head thinker is a great name for it, because thinking and solving problems is the most important job your head has. Great job. Let's do the next one. Hands back on your waist and ask, "Hands on my waist, what have I here?" Now point to your eyes and say, "These are my eye blinkers, Mummy, my dear." Blinking is a job your body does all on its own to keep you safe. It quickly brushes away tiny bits of dust and dirt so your eyes stay clean. Thinking of our eyes as blinkers helps us see that they work just like little windshield wipers, protecting our sight so we can see clearly. One last time. Hands on your waist, and let's ask, "Hands on my waist, what have I here?" Point to your mouth and say, "This is my food grinder, Mummy, my dear." Your teeth act just like a little machine. As the food is broken down, they chomp and smash your food into tiny, tiny pieces. They do this hard work first so that your tummy can easily break down your food and give you lots of energy. Your mouth is for more than just smiling. It is a food grinder that helps your whole body grow big and strong. Look at all those names. We found the thinker, the blinkers, and the food grinder. When we look at our bodies this way, we can see that every part of us is a busy worker with an important task. Now I have a challenge for you. Can you think of a brand new name for a part of your body that wasn't in our poem? What about your nose? You could call it a smell sniffer. Keep playing this game today with your mummy or daddy and see how many new names you can find. Learning about our bodies is always fun. Thanks for joining me. Bye-bye for now.